In this video, I want to talk about the importance of not abandoning people when they're going through their hard times, and also not judging them when they're going through their hard times, because, you know, you don't know what they're going through. And sometimes people act in ways that they wouldn't normally act just because they're going through a hard time. So I've been the kind of person that when something happens in my life, I haven't just abandoned them. I feel like I have a big heart, and that keeps me stuck to people that I don't know, and sometimes if I should be walking away or not. But so one instance in my life, my ex-husband, he had kidney failure, and I went through that for 5+ years. He was on dialysis for 5 years, and that's one area in my life that I didn't abandon him. Didn't abandon him when he was going through it, even though I wanted to. It was really hard for me, but I didn't. I was there the whole time. And then now I'm going through something else with my current person, and I haven't abandoned him. I don't know if we're supposed to abandon people or not, but I don't think we are. I think we're supposed to be with people through their struggles. And then another thing that I've noticed is when you're going through something, you might act in a different way than you would normally act because you're struggling so much, and then people around you judge you and they think you're crazy and stuff. But in reality, they should be loving, they should be there instead of judging. Like, as a society, it's so crazy because we're all put in these little boxes and divided. Like, that's the common message that they're putting out there: divide, divide, divide. If you look at all the common themes, they want to divide us. They don't want to bring us together. So this even comes with hard times. I have friends going through hard times, and everybody's going through a hard time. And are we together or are we alone? I don't see anybody sitting here with me. I think I'm just in this house alone, in this box alone, going through this struggle, going through struggles. And that's what I think is wrong with our world today. We don't connect as people. We don't, even our neighbors, like my neighbors don't like me because I'm living in a house that my ex lived in, and they're all watching me and they're listening to his side of the story, but they're not listening to mine. They don't understand the struggle I'm going through. Not all the neighbors, some of them are nice, but like, we're such divided as a society, and I just don't think that's right. I think we should be coming together and helping our neighbors and being together as a community and loving each other. And we also don't take the time we got to take the time to listen to somebody else's story. We have to listen to somebody's pain. We have to learn to sympathize with them and stand with them and be strong. Another thing we need to do, though, is when we're going through the pain, we need to not listen. Well, another perspective that I've learned is when I'm going through something, everybody has an opinion about something. They all have an opinion. And you know what their opinion comes from? Their opinions are coming from their traumas, their pain points. And they're trying to give you advice on what you should do when they haven't even healed the part of them that the advice is coming from. They might be like, oh, you're in an abusive relationship. You need to get out of that abusive relationship. But in reality, they were in an abusive relationship. So they're just going to assume that you were in an abusive relationship. They might be like, you know what? You're going to get in a situation, you're going to lose your life. You're going to lose your life. So you shouldn't be there. But in reality, maybe they lost a kid. That was their trauma. They might say, you can't trust this person. This person is not a trustworthy person. You need to not be with this person. You need to not interact with this person. You shouldn't be around this person. But you know what they've come from? Their traumas. Their traumas are abandonment, and being lied to, and being in relationships that they have been hurt, and they're talking through that. Somebody might say, you shouldn't do that situation because you're going to lose everything you have. You're going to lose all your money. You're going to lose, you can't do that because you're going to lose all your money. But in reality, they were in a situation where they lost all their money, and it has nothing to do with you, but they're going to convince you that it has something to do with you. Everybody talks from their trauma points, and not many people want to heal those trauma points. Not many people want to get counseling and really do the work that it takes to heal that trauma within. And also, everybody wants to cover it up with smoking, alcohol, food addictions. Everybody's addicted to food. Nobody wants to, we have to go have our candy bars, and we have to go have our soda pop, and we have to go have our McDonald's. We can't deal with our issues. We have to cover them up. And when we're eating junk, that's what we're doing. We're covering up our emotions instead of dealing with them. If you want to deal with your issues, that's when you should be doing the morning cleanse. That's when you should be doing juices and eating raw foods and eating fruits and vegetables and stuff that is not going to give you that excitement, but is going to heal your body. And when you heal your body and you heal your soul, you can think clearer, and you have more independence. You have control over your life. If you don't take control over your life, your life is going to be dependent on doctors, people around you. You're going to lose who you are. You're going to forget who you are, and you're just going to be part of the rat race that's what they want you to be in. The people that are controlling the world, they don't want you to be in control of yourself. They don't want you to heal your traumas. They don't want you to eat healthy. They don't want you to be with your neighbors. They just want you to be in your boxes by yourself. Don't deal with your traumas. Just go to work and be a slave and do what we say. But that's not me. I would encourage you to heal your traumas within. Heal them by getting counseling, reflection, meditation, prayer. Don't be distracted all the time. You should go outside in a beautiful place like this where there's trees. There's trees right there next to me. I have a wind chime right there. Right there. It's hard to see. Because I come out here and I listen to God, and I listen to the breeze, and I listen to the wind chime, and I have my coloring book that helps me focus. And if you want a really cool coloring book, there's some down in the description too. But I take the time to heal, and I'm taking the time to reconnect to myself. That way, I can be the light and be the change, and I hope that I heal myself, and I hope you heal yourself. And then we can come together. I know there's some people watching this video that know that we should be coming back together as people, being together, healing, taking charge over our own lives. That's what we should do. If you guys have not already, make sure you go to my website, mymorningcleanse.com/free, and you can get the free video course on how to do the morning cleanse. If you want to heal, this is what I suggest you start with. And it's absolutely free, so you have nothing to lose. If you want the outline on how to do the morning cleanse, you get that when you sign up for my membership. And then you also get to be a part of a community where you have like-minded people around you, like me and some other people in that group that are absolutely amazing. And we're all on healing journeys and supporting each other and helping each other. All right, guys, please like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. When you comment below or you like this video, it helps this video and it helps get the word out. Thanks for watching this to the end. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.